Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the Smart K family. Karibuni sana. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so humbled. I'm so grateful. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning our small kitchen. Oh God, you can see how dirty it was, how disorganized it was. I had to show you before ndio muone after, mniambie kama nimefanya kazi ama sijafanya kazi, si ndio? So not as you all know. So what I normally do, I deep clean. I clean my kitchen thoroughly once in a month. Mi osha once in a month. I won't lie. Na hiyo kuosha once in a month nayo natoa kila kitu from the kila kitu hadi huko kwa tu cabinet huko juu. I wipe out everything. I remove everything and ninaiosha ndio ikuwe safi. So I hope that you're going to enjoy the video as we go step by step. This is me now cleaning the utensils. Definitely kwanza nilianzia na utensils zenye zilikuwa chafu ndio niende in the next process. So guys, karibuni sana. Enjoy the video and please, if you have not subscribed, please, I beg of you, kindly subscribe and watch. Watch guys. I'm so grateful. We are so grateful because of your support. Personally, I don't take it for granted. So sika video kawabambe hivyo.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks.
So here I was done with the utensils. Now it was time to wipe. I used that pink bucket to wipe my shelves, my kitchen shelves. And I also use it to wipe vitu zangu za nini. Yani anything yenye ni ya kukula natumianga hako ka bucket ka pink ku wipe. I have 2 of them. So hapa nilikuwa natoa vitu kule juu. Naona juu kwangu vile kujazana. But all in all, we have to survive and we have to make use of the space that we have. So here I just used water na sabuni. Mmeona nimeweka tu sabuni and maji pekee. Nothing big, nothing more, nothing complicated.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it.
Again, ilibidi nipande juu ni mbali huko. Plus msiniulize kwa nini sijatoa curtain. I had removed the curtains like 2 days ago, nikazifua then nikazirudisha. No wonder sikuzitoa because I love these curtains. Plus hazijakaa sana, so lazima zikuwe favorite in the meantime.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They say, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Under the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall first to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost.
I decided to make work easier. Nilikuwa napanguza moja napanguza then aipanguza then aipanga, because I found that easier. And you know, my shelves aren't that big, so I have to like, na hii blender unisumbua, mtu atajisema ni yangu, so I had to utilize my time and all that.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying.
So after I was done with the the shelves and all that, now it was time to scrub. We scrub the hell out of the what am I saying? So for scrubbing, I used Vim and that Kadhingi. I don't know how it's called, a scrubber. Am I? Oh God, what is it called? So that's what I used. I normally use Vim. Vim does wonders to me, by the way. Mi huona ikinini kisafisha vizuri. Vim plus sasa haka ka steel wool. Haka ka scrubber sasa. Oh God, the results are amazing. Plus, it had taken a lot of time without washing, without scrubbing this place. So I knew it needed a lot of effort and energy, and I needed something to help me out. And Vim came through for me.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun.
Disclaimer, now this video I had done before that kameza of mine kavunjike. Si niliwaambia kalivunjika, nikaleta meza yangu ya sitting room hapa. I had done this. So imagine I did this video and the next day kameza kangu kakavunjika. It was an accident, but thank God nobody was hurt. My niece was cooking and then I don't know what happened. Sijui walifanyana nini kakavunjika. But she was hurt a bit, but si sana, so we thank God. But I love this table. This table has a history. I bought it when I was living alone back in 2018. Yes, that's when I bought it. And of course, Vim again. You see, mnaona huko mwisho vile kulikuwa kuchafu. Hey. Vim. I love you, Vim. So I was showing you I have to moja ya chini na moja ya juu, because obviously wezi nini ati yenye niliscrub nayo countertop ndio bado niliscrub nayo chini. No, I had to plus hapa nilitumia nini brush a bit because it was tough.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. They say, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this.
Now here you see me talking. My niece was giving me stories. Alikuwa ananipea story. She was giving me stories. English. We were talking with my niece and laughing there. So this is the kanini my cupboard nilikaleta hapa because kulikuwa na space na kananisaidia in the meantime kuweka vyombo. Si mnajua niko na vyombo zingine. So here I was wiping them off. So my plan is to get a stand, I don't know, stand tu kenye katanishikilia hizo vyombo. So the moment nitapata hako stand, definitely nitatoa hii nini hapa. And again, we can use this cupboard kama stand. Nipeleke kwa fundi, then itengenezwe in such a way itakuwa. Do you get what I'm saying? Do you get that picture? Of me badilishaling a cupboard into a stand? Because I'm a genius. Definitely, because even if we sell this thing, we'll sell it at a throwaway price. So it's either I give it out for free ama nitengenezewe kakiwa ka stand. So sooner when the mullah comes. And also we had to wash the place, so ilibidi tumeitoa.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down.
And it was time to set everything back to its place. Some had dried up, some hadn't, so I had to use a car towel to wipe them. To wipe them what? To wipe them dry. And I was so tired and I was so happy. Mmeona me, I usually sweat a lot. Oh God, but at least I'm losing weight. Hapa sikuwa nimeanza kunini. Guys, I'm losing weight. Where? Hii kusweat ndio iliona, I need to work on myself. I normally sweat a lot. And that's why I put my cups and a little bit of dishes and some glasses zenye hazitoshangi kwa nini? Kwa cupboard, hapo ndipo naziekanga. We utilize what we have because what are we gonna do until we get a larger space, until God blesses us with a larger place? We use what we have. And I was so proud of myself because where?
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
And there we are, from the bottom to the top. Oh, from the top to the bottom. Yeah. You see how clean and organized it is. It haina zile vitu fancy, but I love it clean like that. Ikiwa hivyo na feeling it too. You know, I love my kitchen. My kitchen and my bedroom are the best places. Then I soaked the 2 towels hapo, nilitusoak na omo, sikuonyesha, nilitusoak na maji moto na omo. Alafu kuna ako kamat plus that mtungi of gas. Nilinunua mtungi ya gas, nimebakisha kununua meko. Inaitwa meko, cooker. I'm trusting God for a cooker this year. Hallelujah. Yes, part of my sufurias, mafuta, mchele na unga, plus my kanyungo over there. What is it called in English? That one, plus my glasses zote zilikuwa wiped. They are all clean. And yeah, it's all clean. So guys, kindly subscribe. I hope that you have enjoyed.